Hi everyone. Today I will discuss data visualization. Already we have prepared the data set. So we will use this data set. So now we'll open all code. Yeah, this is our code. So after closing the windows, we can open. How to open? For example, if we close the data, data. This is our formatted data. So we can open our data using load function. Just type load, then p drive abc folder, then data name is dat underscore a dot r data. Yes, this is our final data. First, we will create box plot. Generally, we use box plot to assess the distribution of continuous variable. First, our dataset name, pipe, then ggplot. Ggplot is the function for all graph. Within the ggplot, we have to type AES. Then y is equal to outcome variable. Here, there are many continuous variable like height or BMI. So if we type height, for example, height, HT, then plus geometry, geom box plot. So if we run, yes, this is our box plot for one continuous variable. But if we add another categorical variable like here, x is equal to, for example, place, run. Yes, this is box plot of a continuous variable and the categorical variable is place of residence. Then we can compare to we can compare a variable or distribution by a categorical variable. Distribution of height among rural people and urban people. If we use another continuous variable, for example, WT means weight, we can use BMI. Yeah. And additionally, we can use another variable for fill is equal to ACS. So we can use three variable. One is target variable, continuous variable, and X is categorical variable, fill also categorical variable. So if we run, yes, this is our box plot of a continuous variable by two categorical variables. So we can assess the distribution. And box plot generally represent the median, first quartile and third quartile. The main application of box plot is to identify the outlier. These are the outlier.